riding out one dark and windy day. On a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw plowing through the ragged sky and up a cloudy draw. The brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. The horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the sky, for he saw the riders coming hard and he heard their mournful cry. Gaunt, their eyes blurred, their shirts all soaked in sweat. Riding hard to catch that herd, but they ain't caught him yet. 'Cause they've got to ride forever on that range up in the sky, on horses snorting fire, as they ride on hear their cry. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yo. Riders in the sky. Passed on by him, he heard one call his name. If you want to save your soul from hell, riding on our range, well then cowboy, change your ways today, or with us you will ride, trying to catch the devil's herd across the endless skies. Yippee-yi-yi.